Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into backup internet solutions and why they're the ultimate safety net to keep your business running smoothly. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Let's face it, no business can function without reliable internet. But here's the thing, no matter how great your primary internet connection is, outages can happen. Whether it's due to a storm, a provider issue, or something else entirely, losing internet can be devastating for your business. When the internet goes out, it can stop your operations entirely. Think about it. No access to cloud systems, no way to process payments, and no way to communicate with customers or your team. Studies show that the average business loses thousands of dollars per hour during downtime. Even putting aside the financial cost, there's also the potential damage to your business's reputation. Here is where a backup internet solution comes into play. More specifically, LTE failover. Simply put, LTE failover is a backup internet solution that uses cellular networks to keep you connected when your main internet goes down. It's essentially a plan B that kicks in automatically, without any manual setup or downtime. Let's talk about why this matters. In retail, an internet outage can mean no sales, no customer data access, and frustrated shoppers. In healthcare, it could disrupt critical communications and patient care. For financial services, downtime can halt transactions and risk data security. Regardless of the industry, connectivity is essential to keep everyday operations running. So, how does LTE failover work? It's simpler than you think. Most setups involve a router that supports both broadband and LTE. When your primary internet connection goes offline, the router automatically switches to the LTE network. This switchover happens in seconds, so your team or customers likely won't even notice. Even better, LTE failover can work with minimal setup, meaning you don't need a dedicated IT team to get it going. And as LTE and 5G networks expand, speeds and reliability continue to improve, making this an even better option. Still wondering if LTE failover is right for you? Let's break down the benefits. Minimize downtime. It keeps your business online, even during unexpected outages. Cost-effective. No need to invest in expensive secondary connections. LTE failover solutions are affordable and scalable. Seamless customer experience. From processing payments to keeping your online systems running, your customers won't even notice there's been an outage. Global connectivity. With LTE and 5G networks widely available, it's a reliable option whether you're in an urban or remote location. Security. Many LTE failover routers include encryption and secure failover features, keeping your data safe during a switchover. As businesses rely more on cloud-based tools, IoT devices, and remote workforces, a backup internet solution becomes more of a necessity than a luxury. Whether it's for a short outage or as part of your disaster recovery plan, having a backup solution in place means your business is ready for anything. And these solutions don't have to break the bank. If you're looking for a reliable way to protect your business from costly downtime, check out our website. So, do you have a backup internet solution in place? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tips to keep your business ahead of the curve.